There are many pressure cooker products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pressure cookers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Chef Pressure Cooker. Rating 4.4. Use the precise built-in scale to easily measure ingredients and cook by weight, simplifying both prep and cleanup measuring cups needed. For integrated smart sensors measure ingredients accurately and tell you exactly how much liquid is needed to cook meals to perfection. Automatically releases steam at the end of pressure cooking for increased safety and convenience. Programmed with 3 pressure release methods: quick, pulse, and natural. Guided cooking recipes provide step-by-step video cooking instructions and enable you to send precise cooking parameters to your smart cooker for every step. No need to enter time and temp settings or set any timers. Number 4. NuWave Pressure Cooker. Rating 4.4. This air fryer and pressure cooker combo comes with 2 removable lids plus deluxe cooking accessories, so you can easily pressure cook, air fry, slow cook, grill, sear, sauté, and more. In addition, it features 300 one-touch presets and 240 memory slots, making it one of the machines with the most presets worldwide. NuWave Electric Pressure Cooker employs dynamic pressure control technology, max making 200 times pressure adjustments to maintain continuous boiling, thus maximizing nutrition and 20% tastier flavor release. With 80 kilopascals max pressure, cooking speed is 70% faster than others. Number 3. Ninja Pressure Cooker. Rating 4.5. Extra large, family-sized capacity with the ability to pressure cook, air fry, and steam crisp all under one smart lid. Slide to unlock 3 cooking modes and 14 cooking functions all under one lid. Steam and crisp at the same time for faster, juicier, crispier results without drying out. Versus Ninja Foodi OL601 in dry mode only. Double your cooking capacity or make 3-component full meals at the touch of a button main and prepare quicker meals with up to 70% faster cooking versus slow cooking, 40% faster one-touch meals versus traditional cooking methods, and 25% faster artisan bread and cakes versus traditional ovens. Number 2. Presto Pressure Cooker. Rating 4.6. Pressure cooker and slow cooker in one. Cook meat, fish, chicken, vegetables, beans, rice, grains, even desserts. Removable pot with PFAS-free ceramic non-stick surface, inside and out. Function settings for high pressure, low pressure, slow cook, brown, sauté, and keep warm. High-speed pressure cooking preserves flavors and nutrients and tenderizes less expensive cuts of meat. The timer signals when cooking time is complete. Automatically maintains proper pressure while cooking, then reduces pressure naturally. Number 1. Cosori Pressure Cooker. Rating 4.7. Pressure cook, rice, steam, sterilize, oatmeal/porridge, stew/broth, beans/grain, meat/poultry, slow cook, sauté, ferment, sous vide, keep warm. The seal/vent button away from the steam release valve and the 30 degrees backward angled steam release design make venting safer and easier. The stainless steel, fingerprint resistant housing, T.5-inch widened pot gap, a dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories make cleanup a breeze. To close and secure the lid, align the oranged with the oranged on the pressure cooker base and twist clockwise. The pressure cooker is designed with a double-layer anti-scalding lid and overheat protection to keep cooking safe. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.